Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this toast bread recipe so you don't miss out? Here are all my ingredients. I have some flour, 2 mini hot dog that are diced, vegetable oil, milk, sugar, salt, baking powder, 2 egg. I will add in the dried ingredients together and I will combine and mix for 1 second. Now I will be adding the eggs. I'll combine and combine. Now I'll pour milk. I'll continue the mixing until it is very creamy and without lumps. For those of you always coming to watch me, share me, like my video, comment. I really appreciate your love and support. So I'll add the vegetable oil. Feel free to share this video, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of this family so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. I added the hot dog. Feel free to check other of my videos out that you might find helpful. So here I'm done mixing. I preheated my toaster and I will just grease it with some oil. So I'll just add this amount of butter to the toaster and I toasted it for 0 to 10 minutes. So here is it ready. It came out so delicious, yummy. Try this recipe and you will be glad you did. Thank you. See you in my next one.